Hi, I'm Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library. Today I'd like to show you how to make our Take It Make It kit magnets. This kit is intended for teens and adults, and it's available at our branches while supplies last. When you pick up your kit, you will find in it some pages from magazines. These are older magazines. And you will also find some pages from books. These are also older books that we were no longer using. And you will find some other colorful pages. There may be wallpaper scraps, which is what these two are, or you might find some scrapbooking pages. You will also find 4 adhesive round stickers. You will find a tub of Mod Podge. You will also find some cabochons, and those, there should be 4 of them in your bag. And then there are also 4 magnets which are stuck together, and a Q-tip. So what you're going to do to start this craft is you're going to look for what you want to make your magnet out of, how you want it to look. It can be words, so you can look for a word or a phrase on one of the pages, the book pages or the magazine pages, or if you want to just do colorful things or designs, you can use the wallpaper or the scrapbook paper, whichever you have. So today I'm going to show you 2 different ones. I'm going to start with doing one on this striped wallpaper piece, and I decided I want this turquoise color line to be right in the middle, so I hold this down and I carefully trace around it. Oops, now that I didn't do carefully, so now I have to move to a different spot. I'm going to come over here. We'll try it here. It slid, so don't let it slide. Luckily, I have plenty of room on this page. There we go. So you can see I have a nice line around there that you'll be able to cut out. And also, when you do the words, you're going to want to look around for words that are going to fit in the cabochon itself. This one, if I were doing this word where, the where is too long and too big. It's not going to fit because when we cut the circle out, we cut it inside the line that we've drawn. So I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to do I am. I'm going to draw. I want to get that lined up right in the middle where I want it to be, and then draw the circle around it. There we go. And then what you're going to do is cut that out. And when you cut it, you're going to cut inside the line that you've drawn, because the cabochon, when you draw around it, makes it a little bit bigger than what it needs to be. So let me just finish this here. There you go. And let me see if it's the right size for this. It is a good size for it. Well, no, it's a little bit big. So I'm going to trim just a smidge off over on the side here. Just a little bit. Now it should be good. Yes. So the next step is taking the Mod Podge that you have in this container, and you can either use your finger or the cotton swab that you have. Normally I would use my finger, but because I don't have water readily available, I'm not going to do that today. And you want to get a good amount on there, but you don't want it to be goopy. And you spread it all the way to the edges. And then when you have it all spread around, you are going to take the paper that you have cut out, the circle, and you're going to put it down with the design that you want showing onto that cabochon, and then press it nice and flat. Now this is a magazine paper, so the paper is a little bit thin, so you want to push it down nice because it was already curling up on the edges. And I usually wipe away some of the extra Mod Podge that comes out. So that's what you do, and then you need to let it dry for 24 hours. It's a good idea to really press it down firmly onto the cabochon so that you don't have air bubbles left in it, because I've had that happen a couple times to me, and it just doesn't look as nice then. So when you have all that done and you've let it sit for 24 hours, you will have your, let me get a different one here. You'll have your magnet almost ready to go. This one I can see that I did not trim it close enough. So I'm going to trim it while it's dried before I put the magnet on, because the paper was sticking out over the edge. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Let me get a little more here. And then you're going to take one of these adhesives that you have and stick it on one of the magnets. And press it on firmly, and then peel off the backing. There we go. And then press that into the middle. Whoops. Press that into the middle of the design that you have. And there you go. That is how you make the magnets that we have for you this week. And you can do designs or you can use words, whichever you would like to do. Thank you for joining us today. Please watch our Facebook page and our YouTube channel for more fun videos, and also watch our MADL.org webpage for more programs that we're offering. Thank you.